Well, our world as a manufacturer is undergoing some major changes here today. We are in the process of upgrading our paint line. Over the last several years, we've been challenged as a manufacturer. Customers are asking for larger racks in every direction, but our primary concern is quality. Hundreds of thousands of racks literally have gone through this paint line over the last 20 years, and we are tearing it out and putting in a brand new one.
This washer specifically, all the walls are mild steel. The new washer, it's all stainless steel, which is corrosion resistant. It should last 50 years.
So this is the second phase of our paint line upgrade. We've got a modern auto booth. This is the next big piece of it.
We've been doing a lot of stuff like running in a new conduit, the new power lines, water lines, gas lines, and air lines to set up for the new wash in preparation for this. A lot of planning, a lot of preparation, pre-game work that we've had to do in order to get this ready for when these guys come in this weekend.
They drained the wash tanks last night. They began removing the old booth this morning, and they claim that they're going to have us back up in operation on Tuesday. So it's a very compressed timeline, and it has to be because this is core to the operation of our business.
We don't just come into it right off the bat and just go at it. We've got guys actually from two different companies, from Midwest and from Clover, making sure that the system is completely disconnected before we get here. Hydration. I mean, we've got two guys that are working in hoods on top of the washer right now, making sure that they're hydrated the entire time that they're up there. We're covering holes in the floor, we're covering anchors that are in the floor, just making sure we're not tripping. There are a lot of things that go into the safety aspect of this, making sure we're not setting things on fire. We've got fire extinguishers in case we do. We just want to make sure that we get out of here safely and everybody goes home whole and well.
It's a brand new modern booth, much larger wash bays with it, and the name of the game in terms of high quality metal finishing is the wash. This is literally step one and the most important step to achieve a high quality finish.
Speed and efficiencies and better pumps, better motors, a lot better controls. The new washer pretty much operates all on its own, adds water when it needs it, it takes water when it needs it. You can change pump pressures right from the touch screen. It's pretty much fully automated. You have to start it in the morning, and that's about it. And they can integrate it into like a network, and they can have it on their computer, have it on their phone, check it out in the morning. Typically, most people set it to start at, we'll just say 5:30 in the morning, so when you get here to run parts, it's ready to run. Load a part, put it in.
They should have this whole line pulled out sometime early this afternoon. You can see these guys up here removing the exhaust system from the wash. That exhaust system used to remove steam from this wash. The new wash will have the same type of unit on the infeed end and the outfeed end, and the burner exhaust in the middle.
Here we are on Wednesday early afternoon. Our wash is being finalized as we speak. Testing and everything is up and running at the moment. As we move to the next phase with the possibility of running product starting Thursday, which means a complete cycle from demolition to completion in less than 7 days.
The whole idea with a continuous paint line is time in each stage of the operation, and so part of what we're doing here today is we're increasing the length of the wash booth. That'll allow us to run the line faster by about 60%. That theoretically means that we are improving and increasing our capacity and our ability to deliver racks.
We wanted to build for the future. We wanted to build for line speed. So when we went to Midwest and got into the construction sites, we wanted to be able to go from our average 9 foot a minute up to 16 foot a minute. And in order to maintain our contact time, we had to lengthen the wash. So as you can tell, the wash is significantly longer, about 30 to 40 feet longer than the previous wash, which means all of this is brand new construction up here for conveyor. Again, expanding and making it bigger so we can take on more capacity. Stage one holds about 5,000 gallons. That will be contained with a cleaner solution to get all the grinding dust and grit off the part and the first initial oils off the part. Going into stage two, we will have a rinse stage where we'll rinse any contaminants that might have been left on the part. And as we walk down, then we get into stage three. Stage three, we'll apply our chemical stage, where we'll have the contact time necessary to get the right chemicals onto the part that the powder loves. And then in stage four, we'll do a final rinse with a halo rinse outside of that wash to make sure that all the impurities on the metal are completely taking off prior to powder. Another upgrade feature that we've incorporated into this new system is we're going from city water to RO water. This is our RO system, and we are currently making RO water so that we can charge the system first thing tomorrow morning and be up and running. Reverse osmosis water will bring us in pure water so that we know we are cleaning customers' products to the best we we can.
So we're super excited about this investment in this next chapter. Really proud of the team on this one. This has been a project that's been in planning for a long time, and obviously with the critical nature of this investment to our operation has been something that's been a source of stress for us, but we're finally here. Everything's going well, and we'll be checking back here soon on the finished product. But
I'm proud of you.
yeah, thanks.
He does listen.